Hello guys, in this tutorial, our final part, I want to just show you how to use filtering. So guys, we just click here, our data is just only highlight. You see here, it's only highlighting, but it's not filtering. See here, and when we click like this, it's only highlighting, but it's not all filtered, right? How to using the filters. Let's come to here on our format here, and then interactions. To click like this, you see now our data is active. You see here, so this is the filter is active. So we are going to now active all our filters. So click like this, go, click like this, all you clicking to use come to filter all filter all like this. So now if we click like this, guys, you see it's all filtering now. Now it's filtering, you see. So this way, guys, you are going to use filtering. And just I want to show you another thing. So now we are going to be active. To come to in this another in this one. Now we are going to click this one, and still filtering, you see. Now we are going to deactivate. So here, as you see this one, unfiltering, you see. Okay, so now when you go to come to here and you see it's not filtered. Look, guys, when I click like this, it's not filtering because we already deactivated. So in this way, guys, how to using all the filters. If you want to use the filters or someone wanted to, in their project when you create it and using all the filters. So if you want to use or they want to use filters, so you make exactly to come to do it in this way. So, but I don't want to filter it. So everything is look fine. So let's come to here again. So we come to, you see, it's gone because we are deactivated. This way, guys, how to using all the filters. This is our final part that I want to say to you or to share with you, guys. If you are guys new here in my channel on programming academic, like and subscribe. And those who want to interested to create like this amazing project or these amazing things. So to want to learning, to sharing them, and they can learn. So I'm happy to hear to sharing with you this amazing course or this amazing serious project. So I'm looking forward to starting another new course in the upcoming days. See you in my next tutorial. Bye for now.